Assalamualaikum and welcome to Blue Planet News. I'm Farah Dania Binti Zulkeflie and today we're diving into some serious ocean talk. How climate change is messing with our sea life. Coral reefs are struggling. Fish are moving and ocean isn't what it used to be. So before we dive deeper, let's check out what's actually causing climate change in the first place.
Trees absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, which helps to control climate change. However, when the trees are cut down, the positive impact is lost, and the carbon dioxide stored by the tree is released into the atmosphere, contribute to the greenhouse effect. High amounts of carbon dioxide are released into the atmosphere when fossil fuels are burned to generate energy and power industry. Transportations are a major contributor to greenhouse gas emission worldwide. A significant amount of carbon dioxide is released into the atmosphere when petroleum-based fuel is burned. During land clearance and fertilizer use, strong greenhouse gases like nitrous oxide and methane are released during agricultural activity.
Welcome back. And now that we've seen the causes of climate change, let's take a look at how it is affecting our oceans and marine life.
The ecosystem of Arctic and Antarctic are changed by melting polar ice, which has an impact on the surface and underwater environments. Decreased sea ice above the surface lead to loss of essential habitat, resulting in conflict between human and wildlife. Sea ice is essential to polar bear as habitat and hunting ground because it allows them to catch seal, which are their main food source. Polar bears have to fast for a longer period of time when there is no sea ice cover. Sea level rise endanger people live near the coast area and damage crucial habitats that many species depend on for breeding, nesting, and feeding. Since hundreds of marine species live on reef, the explosions of algae due to warmer temperature result in coral bleaching, which decrease biodiversity. Algae bloom is caused by nutrient pollution and warmer temperature. This bloom produces toxins that are harmful for marine mammals and fish. Oceans absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, causes the oceans become more acidic. This damages organisms like corals, clams, and plankton that have calcium carbonate skeleton or shells. These weaken the marine food chain.
So, as we just seen in the video, climate change is seriously affecting our oceans. Now, joining us in the studio, Dr. Halima, a marine science expert. Welcome and thank you for joining us.
Hi, I'm Dr. Halima. Thank you for having me, and it's such a pleasure to be here.
So, Dr. Halima, let's get to the point. After seeing the serious impacts of the climate change to the marine ecosystem, what kind of solution that can be done to solve this issue?
Yeah, it is a big issue that we face right now, but we still have time, we still have a solution to solve these issues. I think for me, the best strategy to solve this issue, we can switch the use of fossil fuels to a clean and renewable energies as our primary energy sources, like solar, wind, wave, tidals, and geothermal energy. I think this is the best way to control the use of the fossil fuels like the coal, the oil, and gas that can increase the level of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere that lead to climate change. Besides that, we also can reduce the use of the car, like switch to electrical vehicles and public transport that can reduce the air pollution and also help to slow down the climate change. Not only that, we can also restore the nature to absorb more carbon. So, like planting the tree, gardening, and protect nature to help clean the air. Last but not least, we can protect the forests like the Amazon, because I think protecting the forests is an important climate solution since they are essential to fight against the climate change. So when the trees are cut down, when the forests are cut down, for animals, farming, palm oil plantations, agriculture, and more, I think government can prevent by enforcing a strict law against them. That's all from me, but I think there's still a lot of solution that can be done, and thank you for having me.
Thank you once again, Dr. Halima, for sharing this important insight. The future of our planets and our oceans truly depends on us. The choice that we make today will shape the world that we live for the future generations. And thank you for watching Blue Planet News, and see you next time. And don't forget to care for our oceans and planets. Thank you.